Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Razer Phone 2. Pretty excited to check this out. I had a Razer Phone 1 and I liked it aside from the screen, which was just too light, too dull, not enough brightness, but this one's supposed to be a lot better. Here we have a little message from the CEO written on some pretty cool paper telling us about the Razer Phone 2 and how it came to be from the Razer Phone 1. And right up front we have the Razer Phone 2 itself. Kind of stuck in the box here, but there's a pull tab on the bottom. Really nice device, glass back, wireless charging, all that kind of stuff. And then in the bottom of the box here we have our accessories, our documentation, and some stickers in this little package, as you'll see here in a second. Right here on top we have the SIM eject tool, which is pretty cool. It's got Razer on it, kind of carved into it. Little card here telling you how to set up your phone and warning you about software updates if you're on your data connection. Little Razer Phone 2 guide here. And then I missed them in the pamphlet here the first time, but there are also some Razer Phone stickers right here, which are pretty cool. You've got the Razer logo, Razer Chroma, and then For Gamers by Gamers. Those are all individual stickers. Right here we have your USB-C power brick. Does support fast charging, Qualcomm fast charging 3 Plus, I believe. Pretty nice to include it. Right here we have your Razer USB-C to headphone adapter. No headphone jack on this phone, so they do give you the adapter. And then we have a pretty short but nice braided USB-C to USB-C cable for charging your phone with the included USB-C power brick, with the little green insides, which is pretty cool. So that is what you get in the box with your Razer Phone 2. Stay tuned for some more videos, and I'll show off the device and what it looks like, how the screen is. But that is the Razer Phone 2 unboxing. This is Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.